For the marinade, we'll need half cup hoisin sauce, quarter cup hot chili sauce, quarter cup tomato sauce, and 2 spoons of honey. We will mix this up. We will get quarter cup of the mixed up sauce for later use. So let's pour the marinade on our pork ribs, and then spread it over on all the pieces. If you're organized, you can do this and keep it overnight, but obviously I don't have all that time, so I'm going to marinate this and cook it. While my hands are still messy, I'm going to transfer the pork ribs in a foil. And make sure I'm using all that sauce. It goes to every bit of the pork rib. So I have 2 foils here. One covers my baking, another one that I've placed the pork ribs on. I just don't want to mess everything up here, so I'm going to cover them up. I don't like to wash dishes, so that's why I use multiple foils. I know you don't too. We are going to bake our ribs for 1 hour in a 350 degrees heated oven. So I'll see you in 1 hour. It has been 1 hour, and so what I'm going to do is the leftover marinade. I want sweet and sticky ribs, so I'm gonna brush this over. I'll make sure all the pieces are getting the marinade. I'm gonna put these ribs back to the oven on high, 400 degrees to be precise, for about 10 minutes. This is the outcome I was looking for. Wow, these ones, you can't resist them. They are so good. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends. Bon appetit.